Greetings, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Death's Door. I'll be your narrator for the evening, and, I actually don't really know particularly much about this story. I just saw it for sale, and, well, it said action-adventure RPG, and I was looking for a little bit of a break from my normal, I suppose, readings. So, I appreciate you joining me. Also, this is something that I've been, I'm actually streaming this. I do tend to stream on weekends, so if you ever want to catch it live, then you can. Usually on Saturdays and Sundays. That said, oh yes, that's right, I did do a test recording, or two, just to make sure that this game could at least run. I'm also streaming this on Mother's Day, so, watching this in the future, I hope you, wished your mother a happy Mother's Day. Now arriving at Reaping Commission's headquarters. End of the line. Yes. I am Bird. Waz to the moon. Ooh. I'm probably going to need that. Ooh. Wow. Magic. Outstanding.
Ain't got no souls, ain't got no shinies, ain't got no worries.
Interesting. I wonder if this entire world... Well, I suppose it isn't because they're still red, but... Yeah, you're clear. Move along, buddy. Wait, am I? Security. Oh, man, this game does look really nice. Smooth. Oh, look at that. This does actually remind me of, well, I guess for a little bit of context, I've had to name a narrator for quite some time. Just kind of from the friend groups that I would, attend as a child. It was me, my older sister, and
Well. Look who showed up for work. No one's for you. Because only the early bird catches... Never mind. Anyway, it's your lucky day. I actually have a soul for you to reap. Not just any soul, a giant soul. Think of the commission on that. I hope you haven't forgotten your training. Stay on your talons. Giant souls don't often go peacefully. Dropping in your door now.
look at that.
With a soul that size, you might even be able to afford some time off. But remember...
Your door will remain open until you return with your designated soul. While your door is open, you will be mortal, and you will age, so get it done quickly.
Reaping souls to power the door so we can reap more souls. The cycle repeats forever. Rat freeze, eh? Anyway, get to it and be careful. If you die, it's going to be a lot of paperwork, and I don't have the time.
Yes, definitely. This reminds me of my office job. Just kind of a, Am I allowed to come back here? Better get moving. Don't want to be late, right? I can't. Yeah, so it was, Oh yeah, that's right, friend group. Just us three. My sister's friend, my sister, and me. I was the narrator, my sister's friend was the director. And then my sister gave herself the label boss, but then later on she realized the connotations that had, so she changed it to capo. But anyway, we would have our own little worlds and stories that we would have for these worlds, and you know what, we'd put characters in those worlds and make all sorts of pretend adventures. It was actually rather nice. I myself had a character of a particularly crow-ish lineage. Humanoid, but like the half and half animal humanoid, so she had very bird-like features. She had no arms, she had only wings. You know, her feet were like talon-esque, but she would keep them in such a way that, ooh, tipped a slash. Keep them in such a way that they kind of look like high heels or dress shoes. And then she wrapped her wings over her body like a cloak. As far as her face, she had very, you know, deep black hair and feathers and whatnot, and a very humanoid-like face. Except for her nose downward around the chin and mouth area, she had a beak. With that beak, she would just kind of tuck it into her chest, and it would kind of look like that Kakashi face mask thing. You know, it would just make you look all mysterious and whatnot, but no, for her it was just her actual face. Oh, demonic spirit forest, or demonic forest spirit, whoops. Oh! Don't get hit by the tentacles. Alright. Alrighty. You. Oh. You refill arrows by hitting things. There we go. Just go in and get some single strikes in. Don't get greedy. I'm getting really quiet because I have to focus. There we go. Alright. A fairly basic first boss. I did like that quite a bit. Oh? Hello, friend or foe? Am I dead? Apparently not. Oh, I love these guys. What are these? Lost Cemetery, Forbidden Region. Hit the switch. Yeah, so that was just, I suppose, one of the many. Oh, is that the bird that did the badness to me? I'm coming for you. I think you stole my soul that I was going to take. You're trying to kidnap what I have rightfully stolen. What is this? You collected a life seed. Blending one of these in a green pot will yield soul fruit, which can be consumed to restore your health. Ah, yes, I'm still missing health. Aesthetics of this world is really good. But yeah, so, no, we just had those little worlds, and I suppose that's kind of where my desire to be a storyteller came in. At such a young age. Although, unfortunately, unlike my sister or any of her friends, I wasn't particularly artistically skilled. And, I became discouraged rather easily about my drawings. Very self-conscious type of person. Oh, what is this? Oh! Little crow. Do I sense a glut of soul energy? Come here, you can trade those souls to gain an edge in combat. Can I buy a day off? Welcome to the Soul Vault. Would you like to increase your combat abilities? Ooh. The Reaper's ability to wield melee weapons. Raising this will increase the damage done by melee weapons as well as their reach. The Reaper's ability to attack with speed and precision. Raising this will allow the Reaper to charge their melee attacks faster and increase the speed at which melee attacks can be chained together. Haste. Reaper's speed and grace of movement. Raising this will give the Reaper a greater base speed, faster dodges, and less cooldown between dodges. Magic. Reaper's ability to harness magical powers. Raising this will increase the damage done by magical spells and ranged abilities. But all of them cost like 400. And I've only got 102. I am a poor bird. I wonder if they increase exponentially as you grow in levels. I've always been kind of that one guy in RPGs to just absolutely ooh. You collected a mass of soul energy. Soul energy can be spent at the Hollow Reaper as on upgrades. Because I've always been one of those guys to just stack all of my skill points into a single attribute. And then just form a playstyle around compensating for my weaknesses. There we go, let's take 2. They give me 2. Would it get some points? No? Okay, no secrets. Secrets, I've got a secret. And I wonder where I got these swords. Do all Reapers have these swords? Ah, that's a single hit. Oh! I actually got hit by that one. Darn. Hello, friend or foe? Ooh. Okay, those ones take 3. Oh, these must be the green pots they were talking about before. Ah, I've only taken 1 tick of damage, I'll be fine. Here we go. Sorry, sometimes. Ooh, okay. Sometimes I go a bit quiet because I need to focus. It's hard to talk and do things at the same time. Barely chew bubblegum and tie my shoes. Doodly-doo. Is there anything down here that I missed? I feel like there is. Or was. No, I think I got everything. So, I think, since this particular Reaper doesn't have a name, I shall name you Burb. B-U-R-B. Hello, Burb. The Adventures of Burb. This way to the summit. Okay. I'll go to the summit later. Oh? Alright, so it doesn't appear we have fall damage. Is this the place where I was before? I think it is. Oh boy, I'm going in circles. Yeah, I'm going in circles. Doodly-doo. Don't roll downstairs, kids. It's hell on the spine. Alrighty. And oh. Friend or foe. Alrighty, that one takes 3 hits. There we go. I can usually get 1 in, and then nope, unless I whiff. Alright, single hit, single hit. Just measure everything out, don't just go hacking and slashing. There we go. Oh, they can kill each other. He's only made vulnerable when he's on his back. Yes, come at me. Ooh. Hey, get them to collide into one another. Come on. You fool. Oh, gee, that was close. I got really greedy there. There we go. There we go. Taking it downtown. This is how we do it on Burb Street. You're in the wrong neighborhood. Oh, friend or foe? Oh, a reaper. Stedon the Gravedigger. My time in this world is over. Oh? Oops. Unfortunately, I am still alive. Sorry. Maybe if you try hitting me with a harder attack. Ah, charge. Alrighty. No. Still here, still very much alive. Perhaps a bit of a run-up. Try a bit of a run-up. Like, roll and then... Oh, okay. I'm sorry. It's not your fault. It happens to everyone. I'm afraid I'm burdened with unending life. I can't explain it, and I've spent untold years seeking an answer. My name is Stedholm. I am the keeper of the graves on this sacred mountain. Oh, and if you do find yourself strengthened somehow, feel free to try and kill me again. Neat. An immortal gravekeeper. That's got to be a pretty depressing job to do for eternity. Here lies a guardian of the door, a preserver of order, and a home to stray souls. Whoosh! Ah, there's a glyph there. And I have taken a hit. Nothing? Nope. Okay. This simple structure has a twin. A hidden secret lies within. So find another one of those. Oh, this is the bridge before. Yes, we are on your trail, large bird. You will not evade me forever. Okay. Actually, I want to go do that one first. There we go. Oh, wait. Nope, this is the same area that I've been before. There's a corpse here. Sorry, dude. I think this is just a roundabout way of getting back to the center. I love it. Well, do I sense secrets? Ooh. Secrets. Pray at the shrine. The ancient shrine offers you a shard from a vitality crystal. Collecting 4 will raise your vitality beyond its limits. Oh, and this does feel kind of like a Zelda game. Which isn't, I mean, that's a compliment. It's like Zelda Souls. Get the dodge rolls and the Soulsy, like, combat and aesthetic. Yeah. Nope, okay. Boop. 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 There we go. Alright, come over here. Oh. I wonder if they see with their backs, or if they see with their fronts. Can their masks see? Oh, that's not... Wait. Are they beheaded? Ooh. It's a little darker than what I thought it was before. Are there any... Is there a difference between the brown and the white ones? Oh, so they do see with their backs. Because the fronts don't have heads, it's why the ones that just walk around don't attack you. Another soul fruit, and a gate over there, but there's also enemies be here. Alrighty, now, boof. And then boof. There we go. Get used to the combat system. Single strike. There we go. One shot. Have I gone all the way back to the... Is there a map? Am I going back to the start? I'm afraid of going and continuing with only half health, so I shall use a seed. Ooh. Okay. What are you doing? What are your attack patterns? Okay. Alrighty. Now we got just more of them. Oop. Okay. No, don't try to shoot them twice. Don't get greedy. There we go. Alright. Oh, got greedy. Okay. There we go. Good thing I healed, or else I'd be dead right now. I don't know why I did that. Oh, that did hurt them. Okay. Okay, this is bad. Okay. One last health. Are you going away? Okay, they start teleporting. So hit them, and then do 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 do. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Okay. Okay. Oh, he went off the side. Oh. Okay, yeah, the third one got me. Death. Ah, and he's teabagging my corpse.